Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to your Excel solution for today. Today we want to look at how to really number our items. One of my friends got in touch with me that he wanted to really number an item. Here we have 57 African countries, and he wanted to really number them simply, and I should propose a solution for him. So this is what I came up with. I came up with using the row function to do this. So you can simply use the row function. So all that we are doing is that we are counting the rows. So we are starting from A1. We close our parentheses. Then we can just double click and we'll have our numbers really numbered. So even should we delete one, let's see what happens. Assuming we delete this particular row, will it automatically update? Okay, so we say shift cells up or delete. So you can see that when it's done, it's not automatically updated. What it means is that you have to go back again and really double click before you can really get it correct. Now there's another solution I proposed, which is he wanted the numbering to be in 3 digits based on the 3 leading zeros. Solution I proposed was to use an equal sign, open your apostrophe, introduce your 3 zeros, close your apostrophe, use the ampersand, that means you are joining, and then we use the row function. Open your parentheses, select A1, so you are counting from A1, then you close your parentheses, then we enter. So you can see that now the numbering is 0001. We have 3 leading zeros. Now you can see that when we double click and now it automatically updates, you will see that the numbering now we have more than 3 leading zeros or more than 3 leading zeros digits. To correct this, we would add the function right. So we use the right function. Right means that it should pick from the right the first 3 numbers, so comma the first 3 digits, then you close your parentheses, then we enter. So when we double click or use the autofill, you see now we have all numbered and we have just 3 digits, all in 3 digit format. This is really how smart you can really use numbering to create simple numbers when you are really well. Thank you very much for following us on Excel Solutions, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.